I always say this, that building a home theater is actually like building a dream. It's an aspiration for many home theater enthusiasts who like to enjoy their content on a big screen with a fantastic surround sound experience, which makes them feel as if they're sitting right into that action. Now, you all know that we at Tap AV by Touchwood, we specialize in delivering these kind of world-class home cinema experiences for our clients, and we go lengths and breadths of our country to ensure that the right hunger of a home theater enthusiast is being taken care of. And each and every complex scenario, it can start from the basic civil stage and it can end not just when you sit on that chair in that room, but even after that. Now, that is the kind of support and entire process that we believe to handhold each and every home theater enthusiast. And one such crazy setup tour is what I am going to showcase to all of you today. Now, before starting with the room setup tour, let us first understand that in spite of having a 5.1 setup with TV in the living room, what actually inspired our client to build up a dedicated room which makes him feel as if he's live into the action. So, more than me talking about him, here is our client based out of Jamshedpur in Jharkhand talking about his need of home theater setup.
I was a movie and sports buff right from my childhood. I am still today. So whenever I used to watch movies or go to cricket and watch cricket for other sports, I always felt if I had my personal cinema where I can enjoy the immersive experience with my family. And there was a day I thought it will come because I wanted to experience cricket sports live being in the stadium, and that is where it gave me an inspiration to have a cinema where there will be a experience where I will find myself in the middle of the action. So when I was building my house, I did give one of my living rooms a home theater kind of a setup, 5.1, but that did not fulfill my desire completely. It helped me to some extent get take care of this watching sports, but cinema experience I didn't have a very good one with my home theater, and that is where I decided to convert one of my rooms into a home cinema.
Now that we all know what was the need and what was the reason to have a home theater room for this client, let us understand which room are we looking at. Because this room was not at all easy. It was actually a bedroom which has a door in the corner, which I'm totally against of in most of the cases. And there was also a washroom door on the same wall. Now, the room size is approximately 12 feet by 18 feet. So it is a standard average Indian bedroom size. And in spite of that, we wanted to ensure that we accommodate 6 people in terms of the number of people in that room to enjoy a great home cinema experience. So that was our first barrier of understanding that how can we try to place things around in the room so that each and every seat enjoys and has a world-class home cinema experience. So when we started designing, we realized that the door opening, which is inside and in the corner, can become a big challenge. Also, the washroom door can come into the hindrance because we cannot now keep the recliners close to the back wall. So generally what most of the people do is that when you have a door in the corner, you try to push the chairs right next to the door. But in this case, since there was another door, we could not do that. Then came the other thought of having a motorized screen. But we all know a motorized screen in a dedicated cinema room is not the best choice, especially when you know that you cannot place speakers behind it due to the doors. So then the screen wall was pretty much fixed that it was the front wall when you enter the room that has to be your screen wall. Then when we started working around the step design to ensure that we have two platforms, we cracked the secret of ensuring that we open the door, we leave some passage, some room, and then people can start climbing up and then get onto the chairs. And this back area we could actually use to put our second subwoofer. So we have made multiple provisions for the subwoofers in the room because subwoofers are omnidirection and they do not have a specific location. So to ensure that we have ample options during calibration, we ensure to have subwoofer location placement in multiple areas. Now apart from that, if you look at the projector, it's a 4K laser projector that we thought of going ahead with along with the 133 inches diagonal screen that fits in perfectly well. Now with regards to the speaker, we did not want to go for bigger boxes Since 18 feet was the wall to wall distance, and due to the door at the back, we are already losing out on almost 2 to 3 feet of space. So, which eventually cut down the room size. Now, the front row also cannot be very close to the screen, so that's why we zeroed upon B&W speakers which are 4 inches in depth, so that way the screen will not be coming out by a longer length. Now, this ensured two things. One is the viewing distance, which became sufficient enough for both the rows to enjoy a great experience, and at the same time, the speakers that were placed behind the screen could take care of the sound enhancement in the room, especially the front LCR, that is your front left, center, and the front right channel of speakers. We have two side surrounds, two back surrounds. Now again, for the back surround, the placement was very difficult considering the doors. So what we did is we actually mounted them at a higher height, gave them a slight angle, and pushed them in, so that what you see is only the grill on the wall. Now the entire acoustics was planned in such a way that the local carpenters team could execute the basic infrastructure, and then we could have our team sent off from here to take care of the finishing. Now the starlight ceiling, the fabric paneling, all of these small details were very carefully executed, coordinated as well as planned by our own team. So the room design was also done in-house by our designers, and the entire execution was very well coordinated between all of these agencies, and I'm very thankful to the client as well over here, who paid equal excitement as well as participation in the entire room's progress. Now all of these things when come together, then you have to see and you have to know that the magic is bound to happen, and that is exactly what happened at this project as well. Now before I jump onto the configuration, which anyways you'll be seeing on the screen, let us also understand the customer side of how he went through this entire execution journey.
Researching about the home cinema through the internet, I went through many sites to study what the home cinema equipments are all about, and that is where I came in touch of a site, and I got connected to Mr. Tanmay Mehta of Touchwood Automation. I just gave an immediate signal to Touchwood, where Pooja from the sales team, she got in touch with me and got me connected with Tanmay. And let me tell you, the very first word which Tanmay told me about the home cinema, I was into it, and I said, let's go. And that is where I decided that I should have a home cinema which will be helped to be set up by Touchwood Automations. Let me tell you, today I cannot be more happy than what I am today with the help and support that has been provided by Touchwood Automation. Because let's imagine this was a bedroom. We had a restroom door at the back. We had another door of entrance at the back, and all these doors needed to be opened inside. That required a lot of space. And as it is, this did not have much space to take care of number of seats that I wanted to fit in. But nonetheless, with the help of Touchwood and my own experience in designing, I was able to fit in 6-seater home cinema that you can see here. And thanks again to Tanmay and his whole team. Pooja and Swati from the sales team were marvelous. They ensured that all the equipments were available on site. Tanmay explained to me about the details of each and every equipment that got into this home theater. We sorted out the Denon AV receiver, the Epson laser 4K projector, bass and Wilkins speaker. And thanks again to Tanmay for all your guidance in selecting the equipments and getting it procured. They reached my site in time, but the biggest thing that I had in my project as a timeline was a month's time, because my kids were coming to India from UK, and I wanted my home theater to be opened by my daughter. And hence we had only 1 month time. And as I said, Touchwood, they said it will be done. 1 month is good enough time, and this project will be completed. Shraddha, my project manager, she has been a rock star. She has facilitated all the work that has been done in this home theater. And let me tell you, this project got completed in terms of time, cost, and quality well before 1 month's time. And when my daughter was here, along with her friends from UK, they were aghast to experience this home theater. So thank you, Tanmay. Thank you to all of your team. particularly the technicians. They came here and calibrated. Calibration is it's a world. I would say the world class standard. My experience of having this setup, I have showed to my wife. She is also very excited. She experienced quite a few movies in this hall already. We are enjoying it, and much for the future. Thank you to the team again.
So, from an empty room, which was like a blank canvas, to now having a meaningful space for 6 people to enjoy a great home cinema experience, which is more like a personal family space, we were really grateful for the opportunity. And in case you are also stuck in the same process and you don't know where to start from, well, I would just ask you to check the link that is shared in the pinned comment as well as in the description, because that is exactly where this client also started his journey with us. And in case you want to jump up directly up the ladder and want to sign up for a 2D design service, which lets you understand that how can we solve this problem of the doors, of the sitting placements, of the AV speaker locations, of the screen size, then please don't forget to check our 2D design service, because that, my friend, is one of the best service, and we have helped tons of builders and clients get the right home theater symmetry. So if you're stuck in that, please do check out that link as well. And for more such amazing home theater setup tools across India, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. So that's it from my end. I, Tanmay Mehta, your home cinema consultant or home theater wale bhaiya, would love to design some more amazing home theaters with me and my team at Tap AV. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.